So this is part 2. It says, if I lost my secret phrase, my fund will be lost forever. You will take it. If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody, my fund can be stolen. You accept it. Trust Wallet support will never reach out to ask for it. So when you contact Trust Wallet support, they can't assist you to get it. That's why I'm telling you, after you after you accept everything, when you go to continue, you get that words, 12-digit words, that you'll be seeing that they've written it 1, 2, 3, and maybe 1 is tomato, 2 is laptop, 3 is sheep, and all those. Everybody will get his or her own. So that is your phrase that you are going to use it in recovering your account. Anytime your phone gets lost, your phone gets spoiled and you buy new, that words is what you are going to use to open your account. So keep that in mind very well and write it somewhere. Thank you. So you are going to continue. All right, so mine has come, but Trust Wallet won't accept the screen to be what? Captured. So it will come to, here will be dark. So you can see that they've written the 12-digit words. So as of from 1 to 12. So what you have to do now is to copy. You have to copy, or you have to write it. You get a note and write it in. Then after that, when you go to continue, they will ask you to arrange everything as you see, as you saw from the one that you copied. So when you go to continue, they will ask you to arrange it. They will ask you to arrange it. After arranging everything, your account will be opened successfully. So it will be open like this. Let me go back to my normal account. All right, so as you can see, that is crypto. All right, so it will come like this. It will come like this. All right, so you see it like this. This is the Trust Wallet, for Trust Wallet. So your account will come like this. But me, I'm having some coins on it already, so yours will be $000. Thank you very much.